Mary Jane Thompson, the Program Advisor for Business Information Systems here at Alpena Community College. There are 4 different tracks in BIS, but in this video I will focus on the Executive Assistant degree track only. The program takes 2 years of coursework to complete, and at that time you may enter the workforce, or you may choose to transfer to a 4-year institution to complete a bachelor's degree. After earning this degree, you can work in any type of business or organization. As an executive assistant, you will be working with the senior management team. For example, a graduate of ACC's BIS programs is currently the executive assistant to the ACC College President. Another is the executive assistant to the commander of the Alpena State Police Post. Executive assistants work with everyone at the company, including all aspects of the company's operations. They get to do a little bit of everything, constantly jumping in to support the company's leaders in any way they can. They get to guide a company's strategic direction, right there in the corporate boardroom with senior management. Few jobs offer perks that rival the experiential benefits of being an executive assistant. They do a lot of different things, work with a lot of different people, and end up advancing to a lot of different careers. This position comes along with variety, excitement, and independence. 50% of your courses you will take are general education courses in English, math, science, humanities, fine arts, and social science that will allow you to transfer seamlessly to a 4-year university. The remaining 50% of your courses will be hands-on occupational courses that we choose together based on your transfer plans. Some choices may include accounting, Adobe Desktop Publishing, multimedia presentations, and business communications. You will become experts in using the vast array of functionalities of the Microsoft Office suite, creating polished Word documents and intricate Excel spreadsheets and charts like you see behind me on the screen in this computer lab where some of your classes will be held. Your toolbox will be full of up-to-date skills when you graduate. Furthermore, you can earn up to 6 Microsoft Office Specialist certification credentials in addition to your degree right here at ACC. Students from this program are passing these credentialing exams at nearly the 100% rate semester after semester. The certification exam credentials are recognized worldwide in 142 countries, and prospective employers will definitely notice your certifications on your resume no matter where you live and work. It would be my privilege to speak with you further about your educational goals and career aspirations. Please contact me anytime.